Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy, Original, back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my YouTube channel. I made a post earlier about Amazon, asking that y'all want to learn how to do the Amazon affiliate marketing, and I got a lot of comments, so I'm making this video for y'all. Now, on the screen, I'm gonna have up my Amazon earnings for this past month. July. So far in July, I did over 81 sales on Amazon, and that revenue added to $1,400. And I just wanted to share how to get sales, through Amazon affiliate program, and how I'm earning sales on Amazon affiliate program. Now, I started Amazon like last year. I found out about Amazon affiliate program last year from a YouTuber, right? I was seeing that it was making $5,000, $10,000 a month, just from Amazon affiliate program. And I was interested. I'm like, how does they doing that? And I noticed that this YouTuber specifically, he was putting all of his camera equipment in the description of a video. So every time he'd make a video, he'd put Amazon links to the products he used to make the video. So I took that idea and I used it, right? I used it, and every month I've been having, good months on Amazon just in the background. It's been working for me. Like, definitely when my channel experienced a lot of volume. Now, this is one of the ways you can make sales on Amazon, is by creating YouTube videos, man. I tell everybody out there, man, if you are on social media, man, Instagram, Facebook, I ain't gonna say Facebook dead. Facebook ain't dead as far as like advertising money. Like, if you know what you're doing on Facebook, you can make a lot of money. But Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, y'all wasting your time. I feel like y'all should build a platform on YouTube. Like, even if you making a minute video, like, it only take 15 seconds. Your video only got to run 15 seconds to get monetized on YouTube, if y'all didn't know. 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You have a 30-second video and it can get monetized on YouTube. So, I recommend people building up a brand on YouTube, because there's so many different side incomes that can come from just posting videos. Just because I post videos and I have my Amazon link in the description, I get sales. I don't really do too much other effort, but there are other ways you can earn money with Amazon's affiliate program. Now, another way you can earn money with Amazon affiliate program on any social media platform. It could be Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, any platform which you could, add a link and have people clicking on a link that could lead them to the Amazon website. Now, the thing about when people go to Amazon and you want to know, like, how do it work? It's like a cookie. It's like you get a tracking ID for different products. Once you sign up on Amazon's affiliate program, once you search on Amazon, any product you search, you will see, like, in the top left-hand corner, you can get the product link for it. You know what I'm saying? You can get this URL, custom URL with your Amazon associates tag on it, and you share that on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, anywhere where you have a social presence, you just share your Amazon affiliate link, and you can even create an Amazon store. You can see all of this in the description of this video if y'all want to know what I'm talking about. But I have my own Amazon store where I group certain products that I like, that I want to share with people, that I have personally, and I group those products all in the store. And you can share your store link, and then when anybody, on your social media, on your Instagram, on your Facebook, on your YouTube platform, when anybody on those platforms click on the link and buy it, or buy anything from Amazon, you get a commission from that, right? Out of all of the sales you make on Amazon, you get about 10%. But it adds up, you know what I'm saying? It adds up because Amazon is the biggest online retailer. You know what I'm saying? It's wiping out toy stores, all type of department stores every motherfucking year. So if y'all think Amazon not gonna be the cash king, 10 years from now, 20 years from now, man, you crazy. So Amazon is a big platform to get involved in. Like I said, I got started a year ago, and I'm already having $1,400 months, like, consistently. So, it's just getting better. It's just getting better and bigger as I'm, building on my YouTube platform, because not only do I have YON World, I got a whole nother channel that generates more traffic than this channel. And every time I drop a video on there, I add Amazon links, and they click on those links, and you can even get more specific with Amazon. Like, you can start, like, say if you wanted to make a YouTube channel, right, and you didn't know exactly like what to do, but you wanted to make money off of it, you could buy things on Amazon and review them. Like, for example, I made this video. It was about the feng shui bracelet, right? It was about this feng shui bracelet, right? I had made a video about, how it worked for me, and I just did a product review on it, basically. This month alone, from the feng shui bracelet, I sold $500 in feng shui bracelets this month alone. You know what I'm saying? It was like 32 orders, and you'll be able to see, on the screenshot. I don't have the screenshot up, but yeah, man, I did $500 alone in feng shui bracelets, just, on Amazon. Just from making a video about it on YouTube, and that's the thing. Like, you could review products, like whatever it is you can find on Amazon. Everything on Amazon. Anything you can find on Amazon. You get creative. And you can get real creative, man. Any product, you could be a product review person. Or you could, if you have a YouTube channel and you creating content, you could add links to the equipment you use. If you're using an iPhone to record your videos, you can add the link to the iPhone. If you use a Mac to edit, what I'm saying? I got the Mac in the background. Y'all see it? I got the Mac in the background. Use the Mac to edit. You know what I'm saying? You could add the Mac. Use a certain lighting equipment. You use, what I'm saying? You can add all of that on Amazon. And I made videos specifically, about Amazon products, where I review the Amazon product, and even like the toothpaste. Like, this toothpaste I use is black charcoal toothpaste called Hello, and I made a video about like why you shouldn't use fluoride toothpaste, and the toothpaste I use is fluoride free. So I made a video about that, post the Amazon link. Now I get toothpaste sales. I get sales on toothpaste. And this is a long game. This is what I want people to know. Like, this internet is this is the new hustle. This is about to be the wealth transfer. So just get your feet wet, and learn all of the sources of income. And Amazon is going to be a big source of income for a lot of people. Like I said, people making $5,000, $10,000, and they just doing that on YouTube, just from posting their shit. And they just, as they get more videos, as they channel get bigger, the revenue to that get big. They get more clicks. Like, for example, I got 1,900 clicks this month. I got 1,900 clicks on my link, and I got 81 sales. And that was $1,400. And I get 10% of that. So that's the only catch. Like, you just get 10%, but it adds up. You know what I'm saying? The more sales, like, people are always buying online. Definitely, it's about to be a major shift. We already in a major shift. If y'all haven't realized of this, of this whole Rona shit, everybody want online orders. They want contactless payments. You know what I'm saying? And we see how the internet is recession proof. As all of this stuff going on, Spotify stock going up, the music, digital streaming, Amazon stock going up. You know what I'm saying? It's all the internet. All the internet, man. And this is where it's at. This is going to be the recession-proof business. The people who are able to understand the internet right now, man, y'all. We just setting ourselves up for a greater future, because everything going digital. Everything's going digital. So more sales is going to be happening on Amazon. It's going to be the most trustworthy. Amazon is about, if it's not already the people, going to be the most trustworthy online digital marketplace. You know what I'm saying? More than eBay, more than everything, man. People gonna turn to Amazon first. So why not be an Amazon affiliate marketer? Why not get your 10%? You know what I'm saying? When it's on the table for you. And it's easy to do. It's easy to do, man. Leave a comment if you made it up to this point. I'll help you, man. Y'all can email me. You know what I'm saying? My services do cost money, but you know what I'm saying? If you want somebody to do it for you or, you know, help you out, you know, where you don't got to do as much thinking, you just want to have this shit in place, hit your boy Yon World up, man. I need to make an official consulting page. I know a lot of information and I can help a lot of people. I just be applying it in my life. And I just want to share the information with y'all. You already know how your boy Yon World do it, but Amazon affiliate marketing is where it's at. I would recommend everybody to join. Amazon is the biggest, most trustworthy digital platform. They've taken out all of the department stores worldwide. And, you know, I think year over year, Amazon is going to become bigger and bigger and bigger and create more wealth and more revenue. And I want my slice. So it's your boy Yon World teaching y'all how to get y'all a slice of the pie out here in America, man. You know, out of all the shit they say, yeah, they say a lot about America. Yeah, it's crazy here. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot. Like, even in Detroit, man, it's a lot to go on, man. But out of all the countries, it's the best country to be in. And we just got to understand how to capitalize, use our mind, and use our time, man. So we can set our future up, you know, to be a greater future. It's your boy Yon World. That's my video for today. I'm out. Peace.